What's going on, guys? Nolan here from Neurotic RC. Today we got another Treal part. If you watched the first video, we installed our Treal sway bars. Now we have the Treal steel drive shaft. So we haven't had any issues with our drive shaft, but I know there are a lot of people that have had theirs snapped, so we figured might as well just get that upgrade over with. So we got them, and I'm going to show you guys how to install them. Take out these two bottom screws right here. Right, so once you have this cover off, you can access the grub screws right through here. So you can see them right there, so then you can just pop them out. So I got those off. They're just got these tiny little grub screw pins. I took these links off so we can rotate these axles, because then we can slide in the new, because once you have them on both sides, you can pop out, so then you can just slide in the new one. It's a little bit easier. Now got these new ones, new screws, and woo, man, they are heavy. Wow, very nice. Very, very nice. Actually would recommend you doing the back here first and try and slide these on, because it's going to be the most difficult by far. So put some blue Loctite on this if I were you, but you don't have to. But if your drive shaft falls off, I think everybody will know why. Slide in basically all the way, and you'll know when you got it on. Okay, sweet. So got this puppy on. Okay, got that one. Now just put a little bit more Loctite. I got some on my fingers, so I'm just gonna do it. You just need a tiny bit. Hardly need any. But when you're going into metal like this, you need to have some. There you go. That is very clean. That looks so cool. Let's get this other drive shaft out. They aren't labeled for front and rear, so I don't think it really matters. It really shouldn't, but they don't say, so I assume it doesn't matter. All I'm doing is just getting the Treal logo in the right way so you can read it. That's all I'm doing. And then you can just put this little plate back. Uses the two smallest screws if you took off everything else. They look good. They match really nice on here. Then these links. These are the upgrades I would definitely kind of recommend, is sway bars, drive shaft. I know a bunch of people have bent their 4 links, so you can upgrade with Treal. I'd recommend Treals. I mean, whatever you'd like, but on both of our trucks we haven't bent ours at all, and we've been bashing them, and not crazy, so I don't think that's why I don't think they've bent, but I know they do bend. So I mean, it wouldn't hurt to just have a set of them just in case if these do bend, because they've bent a lot before. But hope you guys like that another video on how to install installation upgrades on the Losi Lmt Mini. If you guys have any questions, just put it down in the comments. I'd really appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Peace.